Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a wireframe with Balsamiq detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a wireframe with Balsamiq, begin by opening the Balsamiq application. If you don't have it installed, download and install it from the Balsamiq website. Once you open Balsamiq, select Create New Project from the welcome screen. A new project canvas will appear, ready for you to start designing. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This toolbar contains a variety of UI elements you can drag onto your canvas. To add an element, simply click and drag it from the toolbar onto the canvas. Place the first element where you want it to appear in your layout. Common elements include buttons, text fields, and images. After placing an element, click on it to reveal its properties in the right sidebar. Here, you can customize text, size, and alignment to suit your needs. Continue adding various elements to your wireframe, arranging them as desired. Use the alignment tools in the toolbar to ensure your layout is clean and organized. If you need to edit an element, click on it and make adjustments in the Properties sidebar. To duplicate an element, select it and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This is useful for maintaining consistency across multiple parts of your wireframe. This can help clarify your ideas when revisiting the project later. To preview your wireframe, click on the Preview button in the upper right corner. This will show you how the elements will look in a real application. When you're satisfied with your design, save your project regularly. To export your wireframe, go to the File menu and select Export. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or PNG. Finally, review your wireframe thoroughly before sharing it for feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.